In this video, I'll be talking about how to get used to cubes. So firstly, you can start with something simple like the 2x2, which technically requires only 2 algorithms to solve. You can also start with, say, the pyramids or this cube, which are also relatively easy. Next, you can advance to slightly higher cubes like the kilominx or the 3x3. The 3x3 requires 3 algorithms to solve in a little bit of logic, and the kilominx is not much more difficult. And once you gradually advance to more complex cubes, you will finally land up at something like the 7x7. And if you're a really crazy cuber, you can even move on to cubes like the 23x23, which is the largest cube available. Also, to improve your confidence, you can try solving one layer, and after that you can try doing many patterns and flags. For example, on the 4x4, I have a Denmark flag. And these flags are not very hard to do. And say I can do another flag here. This is the French flag, and can do some more flags. This is the Italy flag. So let me do some more flags. That is the flag of Gabon. And let me do Russia too. That is the flag of Russia. And that is the flag of Japan. Also, you can also do many patterns on the 5x5. For example, let me do a pattern here. These patterns are not very hard to do once again. All you require is a solved cube, which you will get when you first buy the cube. So this is a cool pattern. You can just experiment with many patterns. It's just your curiosity and your creativity. This is another cool pattern which I like very much. Also, once you advance to some higher cubes, like say the 7x7 or the 6x6, you can try devising your own algorithms instead of checking tutorials. Let me do one more pattern. This is another pattern. There are umpteen number of patterns like this, and you can try out any of them. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button below and also subscribe. If there are any more mathematical or scientific concepts that you would like me to explain through the Rubik's Cube, suggest me in the comments below. See you in my next video.